Hello, welcome back to Laptop Fix Made Easy channel. In this video, we will be covering RAM overload and of course, the solution to fix and also prevent it. RAM overload is a hardware or software issue in many digital devices that occurs when too much memory is being sent to the RAM module, unable to comprehend more information if overloaded. RAM overload could be identified from slower laptop performance, unresponsive programs, or unresponsive operating system. RAM overload is generally caused by RAM usage over 95%, having too many browser tabs, or running too many background apps. Before directly solving the issue, make sure to diagnose the issue properly to correctly find the right issue and apply the correct solution. To diagnose the issue, start by checking if your laptop has suffered from the symptom of slow performance, an unresponsive program, or even a laptop crash. But slow performance and unresponsive programs could also be caused by the hard disk. So to actually specify if it's the RAM fault, go to the task manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape and take a look at the memory column percentage. If the memory percentage is around 90% plus, the RAM is struggling to keep up with the current running software. Major impact of RAM overload could occur when the RAM reaches 95%, the dangerous limit of a RAM's capability. The simplest and easiest way to reduce RAM usage is by completely stopping unnecessary programs to run in the background along with reducing the tabs on the browser. By now, you should already know that pressing the close button to some apps won't completely stop the app from operating, along with increasing tabs, meaning an increase in temporary memory is needed. To solve the problem, start by opening the task manager again with Ctrl-Shift-Escape and end any application that you are not using right now. To reduce tab count in the browser, start by going to your browser and closing any tabs that are not currently in use, or if the browser is not in use, close the browser. Another simple solution is to temporarily reduce memory usage through the use of third-party software. The software I'm currently using is Razer Cortex, a program that can temporarily reduce up to 30% of your RAM usage by removing background processes automatically. Razer Cortex is able to reduce memory usage automatically when launching a video game, or manually starting by opening the application. Next, press the boost button and make sure to use the recommended setting. Afterward, press the boost button and it will reduce memory usage for you. If all the previous solutions don't work well enough, it is time to consider upgrading your RAM. By increasing the capacity of your laptop's RAM, more processes and programs are able to be used at the same time. There are two methods to increase RAM capacity. First is to add another similar module of RAM and combine it with the old RAM. But the laptop must be able to accommodate two SO-DIMM slots and both RAM modules must be similar from model and manufacturer. The second upgrade method is to replace the old RAM with an upgraded RAM by using the previous slot. This solution is only applicable when there's only one SO-DIMM slot on the motherboard. To replace or upgrade the RAM module, first prepare all of the equipment needed to repair, namely screwdriver, card, and screw container. Second, unscrew all of the back cover screw carefully and organize the screw inside the screw container. Third, in the middle of this laptop, there is a metal cover intended for heat distribution and cover. To extract out the metal cover, use a soft plier such as a card to pry it out. Fourth, there are two metal latches on the left and right sides of the RAM modules. Push both of the latches outward and the RAM module should pop out. Afterward, slowly pull it out. Fifth, pull out the new RAM module and attach it to the SO-DIMM slot by using the gold colored segment in the slot. After inserting the RAM module, gently press each corner of the RAM downward and the latch should automatically latch on it. 6. Place back the metal cover, make sure it fits just like its previous original condition and return the back cover of the laptop. Finally, screw all of the screws evenly before screwing all of it tightly and boot the laptop. Here are the before and after of the fix. As a piece of advice, to maintain your RAM usage and prevent RAM overload, please make sure to use any program or application wisely. Do not open unnecessary programs that are not needed. Close any program or application that is running in the background that is not needed, such as Steam or the browser. A browser is the biggest user of your laptop's RAM, so close any tab that isn't necessary or is not used anymore. If it's possible, also update some application in your laptop system right now, as some software might be coded and optimized to consume less RAM.